Budget Baes, hey, welcome or welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Y'all already know when y'all see this setup, baby, it is cash stuffing time. So if you want to go ahead and cash stuff the last paycheck for the month of January, and that will support the bills for the first week in February, then stay tuned. Okay, so let's talk about it now. We just did our final paycheck. We just got paid, y'all. Just got paid yesterday. I'm trying to do this video really quick. It is almost 12:30. My husband probably normally goes to lunch around 12:45, and so I wanted to do this video real quick because we ain't got that much damn money, child. So baby, it ain't gonna take that long. All right, so let's pull the money out. This time we're gonna do $215. If you guys saw my last budget by paycheck video, then you guys are aware that we do have a new thing here. We do have, $215 that we're gonna be stuffing, child. When I tell you this video finna be so fast, baby, it's finna be so fast your head finna spin. So 51, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 10, and 15. Okay, y'all know I go to the ghetto bank. I tell you that all the time, child. So that way, the money just be however the money gonna be, girl, because that's how they do it, child. They don't care. Like I told y'all, this video gonna be super quick, because, girl, how long do it take to count $215, y'all? It don't take that long, amen? So let's talk about it. Now, first things first, let's talk about these groceries, home and groceries. I know I have some change in here for sure because I have been to that store. I got a couple of dollars. Oh, okay, I got a couple of dollars. Amen. Okay. Because I'm like, baby, I need to go to Sam's, honestly. I got all this change. We'll put that in our bag in a minute. Put this over there to the side. Last time we checked, hold on, how much money did we have last time we checked, y'all? Last time we checked, we had $115, so we wasn't doing too much. So let's move these over to the side. Now, we had $115, but we got 55 left. So, 115 minus 55, that means we only spent $60 this month. So, for this one on 01/30, which is today, we're going to add $110. I don't know why I'm writing that in red, y'all. Oh, my God. It's like I'm really tripping. Okay, hold on, y'all. So, we had 115. Let's redo this. So, we started off with $115. Okay, we subtracted the 60, which left us with the 55. And then on today, the 30th, we're going to add another 110. Okay, so that'll be 55 plus 110, and that's going to give us 165 in our groceries, all right? So I'm not mad. This week will handle the first week, the end of this month. We're all on the 30th, so it'll handle the whole first week of February until we get paid. So 51 and 10. So $110 we're going to put in there. That's going to give us $165. And baby, who is mad? Not me. Not me. So we're going to get, that means $165 we have, okay? So let's put that back. Then we're going to move on over to our gas budget. Now, let's talk about our gas. I do have some. I thought I had a 5, yeah. We're going to take that 5 and put it with our payback to Amex because it's $5 over. I do have some money left over for gas, but we're going to move that to the back. We're going to state that we used up all of our 80 because y'all know, girl. So minus 80. We start over each time. And then on today, we're going to give ourselves another 80. So 01/30, we're going to give ourselves another 80. And you know 40 goes to me, 40 goes to Papa. So 20, 40, 60, 80. We'll do $40 for me. And we'll do $40 for Papa, okay? All right, so I'm going to put his little money over there to the side. Then we're going to move. We're not stuffing none of this other stuff, y'all. But we is going to stuff. Well, that's it for our. Yeah, that's it for our if they carry. Let's move over to our long-term savings, y'all. All right, so last time we checked, King should have had $155. We're not stuffing King this month, but let's just make sure he does have his $155 just for the sake of video. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, so he does have $155. Okay. Then we're going to move on to our car maintenance. Now, car maintenance, y'all, we're trying to get this back up to 100. We actually have, this should be 95, but let's make sure. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, and 95, y'all. So we just need $5 more on that, but that's fine. Girl, we ain't got no money to be stuffing it right now. Shit, you got to stuff what you can stuff, girl. What is of importance, baby? And baby, that, girl. Okay, so then we got our petty cash fund or emergency fund. Last time we checked, we had $2,085. So in the bank, we do have 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400. So $1,400 is in the bank. This makes 1,500. 20, 40, 60, 86. 20, 40, 60, 87. 20, 40, 60, 88. 20, 40, 60, 89. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000. So that's $2,000. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. Okay, so $2,085 is how much we do have so far in our petty cash / emergency fund. You know we're on the road to 5,000. So 2,085 is what we have. And then now in my new car fund, in our new car fund, we're not going to add any money to new car, but we should already have $3,225. Okay, I actually do need to make a deposit into the bank. I think I might do that this weekend. So $2,000 we have in the bank. This right here should be $1,225. So let's count it. 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84. 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 83,000, okay? 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 92, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $3,225 is how much money we do have in our new car fund. We are on the road to $5,000 for that as well. So it'll be $3,225 we do have in there. Now we're not stuffing home upgrades either. I do need to buy my steam mop and my my steam mop. So last time we checked, we had $570. So we're gonna do $319 is in the bank, in our bank vault. So that's $320, $340, $360, $380, $400, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. Okay, so $570 is how much money we do have in our home upgrades. All right. Now, the last thing we're going to stuff with this hot little $25 we got is going to be our lump sum debt. Last time we checked, we had $168 in there. Let's make sure 50, 1, 20, 40, 30. Girl. 51, 20, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. So $168. We actually have 25 plus 5. So we're going to do plus 5 equals, we're going to be adding $30 to it. And this is the money that we're going to use to pay a lump sum payment on our Amex. So 51, 25, 51, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 96, 97, 98. So $298. That's not bad that we're paying 51, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 2. Oh yeah, I'm counting too much. I'm like, wait, that sounds like too much. 51, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Is that right? That can't be right. It's 198, y'all. What the fuck is going on with me? 198, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $198 that we're going to be putting. So almost $200 we're going to be putting toward our Amex bill, y'all. All right. So that is it, and that is all for our particular video. Like I said, this video, girl baby, it's going to be so quick and so fast and so in a hurry that it ain't even funny, child. It don't take that damn long to count $0, child. So you know how that go, okay? Yo, oh, you know what, y'all? Hello, we've got to put our change in our bag. Let's go ahead and pull out our bag. This is my actual bag, piggy bank, for any of my new budget bags. All right, so we got that. Let's put the change in there. Okay, so boom, y'all. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like. If you're new around here, not only hit the like, but also hit the subscribe. I would love to have you come and join the budget base. Alright? And until next time, you guys, my life on a budget. Bye!